Hi friends, it's cooking time and today we will cook the famous Filipino dish, pork adobo.
And here are the ingredients. So we have pork, garlic, crushed black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, black beans, and bay leaves. So here I am preparing the garlic. It's good to have more garlic. The food will smell so good, the aroma. And don't you know that garlic has medicinal benefits for our body? It has natural antibiotics. So it's good to have more garlic. Now, we will be mixing all the ingredients. So we have to put the pork, sliced pork, in the pot. That's right, like this. And then we have to add the other ingredients. Let's put the soy sauce. I like to use the Silver Swan soy sauce. It's a classic soy sauce in the Philippines and until now it's used. Then we have to put white vinegar. You may stir it a little if you like. Okay? And then we will add the garlic. This will smell good. Then the crushed black pepper. Alright, and then we have to add brown sugar. It's okay if you want to put white sugar, that would be fine. Though brown sugar has also distinctive taste. So we have to mix now all the ingredients. Dissolve the other ingredients. And you will make yummy pork adobo. Then, of course, after mixing all the ingredients, then we have to cook it. Then we put the bay leaves. It will add the taste and also the smell of the adobo. Alright, then we have to cover it. And then it's time to cook. We have to cook it, let it boil. When it is boiling, mix it again. And we notice that the pork is still hard. So we have to let it continue to boil for an hour. You know, friends, pork adobo is famous all over the world. And every occasion, there's always pork adobo in the Philippines. From time to time, we need to check if there's still sauce because it will continue to reduce the sauce while it is heated. And if it's still hard, if the meat is still hard, we need to add water. We have to continue cooking, let it boil until the meat is tender and the juice is reduced. We can check it again if there's still a lot of juice. Then we have to let it reduce. Continue to simmer. And we can add the last ingredient. Add the salted black pepper. Mix it and continue to simmer until the pork is tender and your pork adobo is cooked. So let's check it again and see the juice is reduced. Now our adobo is cooked. Here is our pork adobo. It's so yummy. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.